to Doyle with Technology Channel, a place to explore advanced technologies, practical experiences for what is easiest, and the tense and thrilling moments of witnessing dangerous with related action, but also full of excitement. Have you ever seen anyone sawing wood under the stream? The woodcutter is sawing wood under the canal. When felling a tree, there are several important factors to consider to ensure the process is safe and efficient. Firstly, safety is the top priority. It's essential to ensure that the surrounding area is clear of people or objects that could be affected, and personal protective equipment such as helmets, gloves, and safety glasses should be used. Secondly, determining the direction in which the tree will fall is essential to avoid causing damage to structures or other trees. It is important to check the wind direction, the tree's natural lean, and the available open space in the area. Lastly, assessing the condition of the tree is crucial. Checking the health and stability of the trunk will help determine a safe felling method and avoid risks from rotten or weak trees. In summary, tree felling is not just a physical activity, but also requires careful consideration of various factors to ensure safety and protect the environment. I have never felled a giant tree myself, but felling such a large tree certainly requires skill, experience, and specialized equipment. Have you ever tried to fell a big tree? This is a skill that relies on the inertia when reversing and moving the vehicle forward, allowing the driver to unload the logs from the truck easily without the need for labor. With a powerful engine, the Pizzolatto PTH 400G is capable of shredding large logs into compact pieces, optimizing the production process and saving time. The machine's shredding component is made from high-quality materials, ensuring sharpness and durability throughout its use. With the Pizzolatto PTH 400G, wood processing not only becomes easier, but also delivers high economic efficiency, meeting the increasing demands of the modern wood processing industry. With wide tracks and the ability to operate in wet forest conditions, this vehicle is an excellent choice for those who need to move in harsh environments. The large, wide tracks not only provide great traction on muddy roads, but also effectively distribute the weight, helping to prevent the vehicle from sinking deeply into the ground. The Metzies in wet forests is undeniable. The vehicle easily navigates natural obstacles, such as muddy areas, fallen trees, and other challenging terrain conditions. Logging in wet forests under challenging conditions is a significant challenge for contractors and workers. Continuous rain and slippery terrain not only increase the risk of accidents, but also severely hinder the transportation and handling of timber. In harsh conditions, logging is not merely an economic activity. It also requires finesse and responsibility. Workers must operate in damp, cold environments while remaining vigilant about potential environmental hazards. The coordination between humans and machinery in this process not only enhances efficiency, but also ensures safety for everyone involved. Despite the difficulties and challenges, logging activities in wet forests still play an important role in the economy, providing valuable raw materials for many industries. The log chopping competition between two men takes place in an atmosphere of excitement and rivalry. In the vast space of the forest, the lush green canopy creates a perfect backdrop for the contest. Tree felling is not just an art, it is also a lesson in physics. The balance between force and technique is crucial. If one is not careful, it could result in a broken saw or a loss of control. When cutting, it's essential to determine the direction in which the tree will fall. This is a critical factor in preventing damage to other trees or posing a danger to workers. This tree may be very large, but with a little calculation, I can ensure that everything will proceed safely. The automated wood production process not only helps reduce labor, but also enhances production efficiency, saving time and costs. This not only meets the increasingly high market demand, but also contributes to environmental protection by reducing material waste and optimizing the production process. Thanks to advancements in technology, the wood processing industry is gradually transitioning towards a smarter and more sustainable future. A stuck skidder is trapped in a muddy area. Its non-tracked wheels spin in place, unable to escape the slushy mire. The situation becomes tense as workers realize that this tractor is crucial for timber harvesting. But right now, it is just taking a mud bath. With a powerful pull from the excavator, the stuck skidder is freed from the muddy mire. A wood-turning artisan decides to challenge himself by using scrap wood that many people consider useless. With rough, cracked, and scarred pieces of wood, he begins the transformation process, It may sound crazy, but in reality, these scraps hold their own unique stories, and the artisan aims to uncover their hidden beauty. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. This will give us more motivation to create videos every day. While turning the wood on the lathe, the artisan notices strange shapes emerging. A piece of wood with deep cracks transforms into an uneven yet charismatic bowl. Looking at these creations, who would think they originated from such ugly scraps? In fact, they have undergone an incredible journey. Absolutely, the final product is indeed beautiful and remarkable. It's fascinating how the artisan can take what many consider useless and transform it into something unique and artistic. Of tying massive cables to haul heavy logs up the mountain is a job that requires both strength and skill. The gigantic, sturdy steel cables wrapped around the enormous logs must withstand the tremendous weight as they are pulled over steep and rugged terrain. Securing the cables tightly around the log on the truck requires great care and high-level technique. The cables must be tensioned with the right amount of force to ensure that the heavy log does not shift or fall off while traveling on rough roads. Wow, look at that! The Bandit SG-75 machine is grinding away at a tree stump with impressive power. The machine operates forcefully, each precise cut gradually wearing down the tough stump and turning it into wood chips. The Bandit SG-75 is a powerful stump grinder designed to handle large tree stumps quickly and efficiently. It belongs to the stump grinding category and is an ideal choice for contractors or tree removal services that require a robust and versatile machine to complete projects swiftly and effectively. In winter, when the weather turns cold, people often have to chop wood for firewood to keep their homes warm. This not only helps to heat the house, but also creates a cozy and intimate atmosphere by the flickering flames. The logs are usually harvested from forests or nearby areas and often undergo a process of cutting, grinding, and hauling back home. The Timber Pro 600 Skisset is an excellent machine for hauling logs home during the winter. With its sturdy design and powerful engine, it can traverse thick snow and rugged terrain, making it easier for users to transport heavy logs. Oh my, this vehicle is pulling a large log, and it looks quite heavy. Without chains for added traction, it's having a tough time handling the load. Cutting wood from deep within the forest and bringing it to the yard is an important process. At the yard, the logs are processed in preparation for the next stage of transportation. Workers sort the wood based on size and quality, then smooth the surfaces to prevent damage during transport. Placing wood in water for preservation is a traditional and effective method to prevent the wood from cracking and deteriorating during storage. When submerged, the moist environment helps to slow down the drying process, minimizing the risk of the wood shrinking or warping. This process is typically carried out after the wood has been cut and processed at the yard. The logs are arranged into rafts or bound together before being placed in a river or lake. Preserving the wood in water not only helps to retain its moisture, but also prevents the growth of mold and termites, which are major threats to wood. The Cambio 800 is capable of handling large logs quickly and efficiently. Just look at how each log is fed in and swiftly stripped of its bark due to strong friction. It's truly impressive, isn't it? A5 is a versatile piece of machinery designed for various applications in wood processing. It is known for its efficiency and effectiveness in tasks such as debarking, milling, or cutting logs. It seems he has arranged everything to fell multiple trees at once. The scene is truly beautiful in the misty haze. Look at that massive, rugged tree. Its interior has been hollowed out by some creature, and it probably won't survive much longer. It's time for us to bring it down. The Rako or G80 is a powerful stump grinder, distinguished by its sharp, circular teeth. When the machine is in operation, these teeth rotate at high speed, generating a strong cutting force capable of tackling any stump, regardless of its size or hardness. Each time the machine makes contact with the stump, it acts like a whirlwind, quickly grinding it down and turning it into wood chips, leaving no trace behind. This not only helps to clear the area, but also facilitates the planting of new trees, contributing to the sustainable development of the forest. The Reko Archieto is not just a tool. It symbolizes power and efficiency in wood processing, allowing workers to complete their tasks with high precision. Or 900 machine, with each contact it makes with the trunk, resembles a storm, swiftly cutting through the tough bark and breaking down large logs into smaller pieces. Next, I will show you the process of a wood turner transforming a regular log into a beautifully crafted wooden bowl. With specialized tools in hand, the craftsman begins to shape the wood. Gradually, the wood takes form, becoming the shape of a bowl with smooth and captivating curves. This process is not just about cutting and sanding. It is a combination of technique and artistry, where the craftsman infuses inspiration and love into every single cut. Wood turning is truly a wonderful art, transforming discarded pieces of wood into beautiful, valuable, and meaningful items. First, let's you and I joyfully welcome the spectacular scenes of tree felling, where giant ancient trees fall in breathtaking moments, with the power of nature not only astonishing us, but also captivating us to the point where we cannot look away. The mighty tree trunks fall with resounding sounds, creating an overwhelming and majestic scene. The skillfulness makes every moment memorable. The Macker 600, a legend among heavy-duty trucks, stands out with its rugged design. The Macker 600 boasts an enormous load-carrying capacity and the ability to conquer rough terrains that few other vehicles can match. It is not merely a means of transportation, but also a symbol of durability and high performance, making logging tasks efficient and spectacular. Organizing competitions to determine the fastest and heaviest trucks is not uncommon. These competitions often attract the attention of vehicle and engineering enthusiasts. They not only help truck manufacturers establish their brands, but also create an exciting playground for fans who love speed and power. This is the New Holland M135 tractor, which carries exceptional power and impressive performance, making it one of the top choices for heavy agricultural work. It seems that everyone is testing its strength. The power shift function enables smooth gear shifting, allowing the vehicle to operate efficiently on various terrains. The modern hydraulic system with high pump flow allows the tractor to run equipped and effectively. Additionally, the ability to lift up to 6,730 kilograms at the rear hitch affirms the strength and durability of the New Holland M135 in meeting the demands of modern agriculture. A wood-cutting competition involves contestants racing against each other to see who can cut wood the fastest. Wow, the giant blackwood tree. Listen to its echo as it is being felled. The competition showcasing the power of the Moorbark 40 to 36 drum microchipper is truly an event not to be missed, where everyone can witness the giant machine with a massive drill capable of crushing large logs as if slicing through butter. The roar of the engine echoes through the air, keeping the audience's eyes glued to this magnificent performance. The Moorbark 40 to 36 demonstrates its superior capability in wood chipping, becoming a symbol of power and efficiency in the wood processing industry. Look, the scene of the powerful Tiger Cat 635D, with its sturdy rolling tracks, hauling long, heavy logs, gliding through a winter of pure white snow, leaves a strong impression on the thick, snowy ground. The Timberjack 140 is stuck in the mud, its wheels spinning, but unable to escape, nearly tipping over as it struggles with the challenging conditions of the wet terrain. Oh my God, I hope the operator will be unharmed. The PTH 1200 to 1000 Pizzolato wood grinder is one of the most powerful and efficient machines in the wood processing industry. The machine is designed with a wide 1,000 to 100 millimeters feet opening and a sturdy steel feed conveyor, minimizing the presence of soil and bark in the output wood chips. Notably, the machine uses a closed drum with 5 cutting blades, known for its high durability and ability to reduce vibrations, noise, and fuel consumption. With these features, the PTH 1200 to 1000M not only delivers outstanding performance, but also ensures the highest quality of output with chips. The tree is fallen, and the man is carefully cutting its stump. He is dealing with the aftermath of a natural accident. But always remember the importance of using the correct techniques when working with trees, especially large ones that are at risk of falling. Wow, it's amazing to witness someone felling a giant tree. The Moorbark 40 to 36 drum microchipper is a powerful wood grinder, specifically designed for the biomass industry. With the ability to chip wood up to 24 inches in diameter, it can quickly process large branches and small limbs, producing uniform and high-quality wood chips. You know, when the Cat 800 to 875 horsepower engine is running, every piece of wood must be carefully kept from being invited into the machine. This is the Moorbark 1100. Another highlight of the Moorbark 1100 is its integrated control system mix, which allows for adjusting the feed rate based on different types of materials, thereby optimizing fuel consumption efficiency. The machine is also equipped with hydraulic augers that quickly remove product from under the grinding hammers, preventing clogs when dealing with large quantities of raw materials. The Morbark 1100 tub grinder is not just a grinding machine. It is also a valuable ally in minimizing wood waste, contributing to environmental protection, and optimizing the wood processing process. When looking at a piece of wood, you can envision many exciting products it could become in your living space. With the talent of the craftsman, the log will gradually transform into unique furniture pieces, like an elegant dining table where family gathers for cozy meals, or a comfortable rocking chair for relaxation on leisurely afternoons. This skilled craftsman does not simply saw, carve, or polish. He also imbues each product with his emotions and dedication. He will show you every stage of the crafting process, from selecting the finest pieces of wood to applying intricate techniques that create flawless contours, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and durability for the final product. Let's wait to admire the final masterpiece that this skilled craftsman will deliver. Support us by hitting the subscribe button. This will give us more motivation to create videos every day. Wow, what a beautiful wooden vase. This vase is not just a decorative item. It is a unique work of art that showcases the talent and creativity of the craftsman. Surely anyone who sees this wooden vase will be in awe, and it will become an interesting story you can share with friends and family about the journey of transforming a log into a stunning work of art.